Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the SSD in your HP 15B-025NS laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any electrical issues during the process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. There are typically around 10 screws, so ensure you don't lose any. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, locate the existing hard drive. It will be housed in a metal bracket. Remove the screws securing the bracket using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently slide the hard drive out of its connector. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the area using a soft brush or compressed air, ensuring optimal airflow for your new SSD. Now, take your new SSD and align it with the connector. Slide it in gently but firmly until it is securely in place. Replace the metal bracket and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Before reassembling the laptop, it's a good idea to check that everything is connected properly. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is in perfect working order. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Finally, if you remove the battery, reinsert it and connect your laptop to the power source. Power it on and enter the BIOS to ensure that the new SSD is recognized. You may need to format the SSD before use, which can be done through your operating system. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we also offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Once you've confirmed that the SSD is working correctly, you can enjoy the enhanced performance and storage capacity of your HP 15BW025NS. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front before any work is done. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.